Hey, yeah, I've got another federal tag out lock, or LOTO lock. This one's got some sort of thermoplastic shackle to prevent against electric shocks when maintenance workers are using it on some machinery and factories. Look at the bitting on this key. See how much it goes up and down. The key ray is quite paracentric. Going to use this pick that Tiffany gave me. Okay, we've got a click somewhere in the middle. Another one needs lifting. Click. Okay, let's see. That was right at the back. Big click. And another one in the middle. Some security pin if I can get it. Yeah. Okay. We're making some good progress. Let's see what else needs. Okay, somewhere closer to the front. Maybe pin one right at the front, I'm not sure. Maybe not. Just back a little bit. There's some security pins that are holding me up. Towards the back there's something. Just have to be able to lift it. Okay, got it. Phew.